Hello friends, hi, I'm Santosh Kumar, certified trainer from Impact Organization and certified data scientist from IIIT Bangalore. Today we will discuss about data visualization market.
Top best analytics tools for data visualization. Today's markup 2020-2025 source, Bernard Mayer contributor. Google Charts. Google Charts is a great place to start your exploration of the possibilities of data visualization. It's totally free to use and lets you quickly start creating graphical representations of your data and building interactive dashboards. Google Charts. It can output HTML5, so your visualizations and dashboards can be built into any website. And although it is very simple to use, it gives you access to the same tools that Google use themselves for their own analytics and development operations. So it's also flexible and powerful. Looker. Looker is a forerunner of a new generation of visualization tools, aimed at putting analytics and dashboarding in the hands of employees throughout an organization, rather than the sole preserve of data scientists. Looker. It offers a huge library of clear and colorful templates that can be applied to your data, allowing you to experiment with different methods of presentation. Dashboards can be set up for multiple user types, so customers, staff, partners, or management teams all see what's important to them. Paraview. Paraview is open source and totally free, but due to its focus on analyzing scientific datasets, it may not be the most suitable tool for a beginner to start out on. However, if you fall into this niche user group, then you may find it's the best suited tool for your needs. Paraview. Due to its popularity in the scientific data analytics community, there's plenty of help and support available online from the specialists who use it every day. It's particularly suited towards creating complex visualizations from scientific datasets and is capable of producing some incredibly detailed graphics in fields such as astrophysics and fluid dynamics. Excel. Of course, everyone knows Excel is a spreadsheet, but just as it has evolved to offer basic data analytics capabilities, it also provides some surprisingly flexible data visualization functions that may be good enough to meet your needs. Excel. Although it doesn't provide a lot of the advanced functionality around dashboarding and API connectivity, if you just need to learn the basics of preparing simple data visualizations, and already have access to Excel, it could be a good place to start. However, I would recommend the entry-level data visualizer. Also look at Google Charts to get a more thorough overview of the cloud-native, connected, and collaborative ecosystem that's available today.